Hello, my name is. Today I read the book named John's Hiccups. John enters a competition. He will sing on television. Oh, John is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. John's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! John still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. But John still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. But John still has hiccups. A nurse gives John a glass of water. Drink it upside down. John's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers. Thank you for listening.